Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the tracks available offline. Sign into Spotify and pick the playlists or albums you want. Once done, toggle downloads for each list and watch the progress bar. This writes files to your device so airplane mode won't block playback. Make sure you have enough free storage and that all songs show the green download icon. Also verify your library song counts match downloaded items. This avoids missing tracks when you switch off networks. Now flip on airplane mode to disable radios, then optionally re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if the airline permits. This prevents cellular interruptions while allowing approved connections. Next, open Spotify and go to Settings Playback and turn on offline mode so the app serves local files only. Doing this ensures Spotify won't try to stream or validate licenses over a blocked network. Make sure your headphones are paired and audio works before takeoff, so playback is uninterrupted. Finish by playing several downloaded songs to confirm they load instantly and the green download icon is present. This verifies everything works in offline mode. If a track is missing or shows a gray cloud, reconnect to Wi-Fi, re-download the playlist, then enable offline mode again. If Spotify won't enter offline mode or playback errors persist, restart the app or device. That clears caches and fixes license checks. If problems continue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.